she just showed us, Foothills really dealing with those hurricane-force winds. And in Boulder, numerous stoplights are out. That's due to Xcel's planned outages. You can see, though, those stoplights are just swaying in the strong gusts. Your reporter, Sean Boyd, lives in Boulder County and actually got this message today from Xcel Energy.
Turning off customers' power is not something we take lightly. It is a last resort step to protect public safety and to decrease the risk of wildfire. Power restoration efforts may extend beyond the duration of the high winds and elevated fire risks.
Now, as of just moments ago, according to Xcel Energy's outage map, more than 92,000 customers are without power right now, and many of them will not be able to turn their lights back on until tomorrow afternoon. Your reporter, Jasmine Arenas, went to Boulder and checked in with people who live there, which includes a family who lost their home in the Marshall Fire. Jasmine, so how are they feeling about this power outage?
Well, Kelly, these strong winds can be a painful reminder of how flames tore through Boulder County. But one family I spoke with tells me this move by Xcel Energy is one they're happy with.
This feels good. It's the new old house.
From the fire-resistant decking and the roof over their head, the Summeroos are enjoying their new and improved Louisville home.
The rebuilding took 2 years, and we're home more than 2 years later, and we really missed our neighbors. It was a hard time.
Yet when winds are this strong, they're reminded of when the Marshall Fire destroyed their home 2 years ago.
I would feel afraid that another fire could happen. Honestly, we think about it a lot. Every time we go to bed and we hear wind, we have to think about it.
Which is why they applaud Xcel Energy's decision to shut off their power for at least 24 hours.
I got an automated phone call at about 11 a.m. Letting us know the power would be cut off at 3 p.m. So 4 hours was enough to do some preparations.
We have a lot of homes in harm's way and literally in the line of fire.
Fire scientist Jennifer Balch with the University of Colorado Boulder says turning off power is a Band-Aid on a much larger problem, but it certainly helps.
Certainly not the only solution, but it comes on the heels of one of the most devastating wildfires that we've seen in Colorado history, the Marshall Fire.
She adds this is a societal challenge. All of Colorado ecosystems are flammable.
We either bury our power lines, we focus on renewables, which can minimize the amount of infrastructure that is vulnerable to these high wind conditions.
But for now, this darker night ahead is a welcome solution for the Summeroos if it means saving their home.
I think it shows progress that we're mitigating. It makes us feel safer.
And they're not alone. At least 50,000 other customers are without power right now. Xcel Energy does say that they plan to bring that power back by Sunday afternoon. I'm live in Denver. Jasmine Arenas covering Colorado First. Kelly.
Jasmine, thank you so much.